Okay, so for this video, we're going to talk about coconut water and why it's so amazing. Now, this isn't coconut water. This is one of my smoothies. I drank all the coconut water before I actually recorded this video. So, just imagine this is coconut water. So, one thing about like coconut water is it's actually 95% just regular water. So, think of it like coconut infused water, right? So, you take the shavings and stuff and you put the shavings like in some water. It's just coconut infused water. And what happens is the coconut infusion introduces a lot of potassium into the water. Now, potassium is the stuff that Gatorade puts into its bottles and all that stuff to give you all these strong electrolytes and all that stuff. Well, keep in mind that Gatorade is man-made. Coconut water is nature-made. So I'm not saying which one's better. I'm just saying me personally, I haven't drank a Gatorade or a Powerade or anything since I realized it was fake. Because as a kid, you don't really know it's fake. And then I realized it was I'm not going to say trash. I'm going to say like compost. No, actually that means you can compost when it's real thing. Anyway, look. Coconut water, better than Gatorade. Just throwing it out there. Hey, before we get too deep into these, I just want you to do me a solid favor and just subscribe to the channel. You know, like the video or something. Because I'm really big into like having these artificial numbers tell me how good I am as a person. Because if not, then I feel like super trash and then I get depressed and stuff. So if you could help me not be sad and, you know, all right, just subscribe. Thanks. See ya. So on the subject of like sports drinks and stuff, coconut water actually has 10 times more potassium in it than sports drinks. So 10 times more potassium than a sports drink. Now, I understand a lot of people may say, well, it's cheaper to get a Gatorade because it's $1. I understand that. But you got to think about your body. Is your body really worth $1? Right? Because you can get coconut water for like $2.99. You know, like a nice, like one like, imagine one's here. Right? It's like $2.99. So I understand. It's cheaper to get the Gatorade. I got that. But it's also cheaper to get the Big Mac over the salad. Which one's going to kill you? Which one's going to make you last longer? Now, of course, you may also be saying, well, my grandma lived to be 98 years old and she smoked cigarettes and ate red meat and all this stuff. And my uncle who's vegan died at the age of 57. Look, everybody's different. I got it. You do what you got to do. I'm just here to tell you coconut water is better than Gatorade, Powerade, and all those other craps that you're drinking. Yeah. Why am I being so negative? Like, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Gatorade and Powerade. I'm so sorry. Okay, so coconut water is also very high in calcium. Now, this is something I didn't know, that your muscles actually break down your bones as you're exercising. And the calcium intake that's inside of potassium, or excuse me, inside of coconut water, does a great job of recovering those bones. And I didn't notice how bones started to deteriorate, but apparently that's how it goes. As you're working out, your bones will deteriorate because of the muscles just beating them up. It's ridiculous. I didn't know that. I had no clue. But now I know, so I can drink more. Actually, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I don't exercise that much. Okay, I've been so focused with like business and having a baby on the way. I haven't even exercised that much. I'm getting flabby. You know, it's ridiculous. Like my buddy Akeem would be ashamed of my physical stature at the moment. But whatever, who cares? Anyway, drink coconut water. I really wish I sold coconut water because this would make a really good endorsement, but I don't. I can just tell you my wife gets me coconut water all the time because I'm obsessed with this stuff. But now I will say some people say it tastes like water that's been in other people's mouths, and I'm okay with that. I like old mouth water. Now it wouldn't be right for me not to tell you how it's also good in your hair. And I'm actually going to end up doing a mask or a hair mask thing. Or actually, no, beard mask. I'm slacking on my beard, so I'm going to do a beard mask on it. But it's really great in deep conditioning, right? It fights off dandruff, and it also strengthens the hair. So if you've ever wanted to use coconut water for something other than drinking because you don't like the taste, try using it in your body care routine and see what happens. See how you like it. I'm sure you're going to like it. I like it. I love it. And look at me. I'm gorgeous. Don't you want to be like me? Yeah, you do. Of course you do. Who doesn't want to be like me? Last but not least, all right, coconut water is known to help with digestion, urination, right? So we got the digestive tract going on there, the urination tract, got the urethra, and also semen production. So if you are a gentleman that's trying to make a baby and your swimmers aren't swimming as strong as they should be, take in some coconut water because apparently it helps boost that semen and get you where it's supposed to be. Now, I'm not saying it's going to get you a boy if you're desiring a boy, but my first shot, I'm getting a boy. So that's it. That's all I can say, really. So if any of that was useful to you, do me a favor, like, subscribe, and all that stuff below. I think I said in the beginning of the video, but let's say it again. Like, subscribe, share, whatnot, and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is kind of popping. Just saying. All right, well, gotta go though. So